Hey, it's Tanya here. I'm in the studio, and while I'm in the studio, I want to share with you my air filtration system. People are always on about safety first, our lungs, the crap that we breathe in, the clay particles in the air. So I do spritz the air with water, but randomly. But I do have a air filtration system. This is up on a shelf, but it can hang from the ceiling. It comes with a remote. So you can time it for 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So you can let it run for that long. There's an on-off button, on and off button as well. So here, it's as simple as that, if you can hear that. And I could turn it off. It has 3 different speeds. I just think it's good to have some safety for us potters in our studios. This also is good for in your garage because for all the wood particles when people are creating woodwork and that. So it's not just for pottery, it's for anything where there's fine particles in the air. So safety first, of course. So I thought I'll share it with you while I'm here. And it's a simple box. It's out of the way, but it's doing a purpose, which is obviously what we're after. I did get this on Amazon a while ago, and I can send you an affiliate link if you are willing to purchase one of these. I will get a small commission if you do purchase this from the link I give you at no extra cost to you. Whatever the price is on Amazon is the exact price you'll pay, but I will make a small commission if you happen to purchase it. I'll give you the link. You don't have to purchase it, of course. I never force anyone, but I thought I'll share it with you in case you are looking for something. Remember, stay safe. Most important, look after our lungs. Hopefully we can live longer by just doing those little extra things.